Hi guys. Welcome to today's Marketing Cloud demo. My name is Harshit Suri and I'm certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer and I will be your trainer for next 1 month on Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform. So guys, let's start with the introduction of Marketing Cloud and let's see what all things we have into Marketing Cloud and how we will be benefiting ourselves if we learn this platform. So guys, you already know about marketing. This is a very common term in our day-to-day life. Every business is sort of doing some kind of marketing to promote its products and services. So this is actually a well-known term. Everybody knows that what is marketing. It is I should say act of selling products and services by promoting to a large number of audience. You have to educate people about the products and services you have so that they can buy more and more products from you. The education, the how you will educate, you can be having plenty of different creative ways in which you will be educating the people. Nowadays, people are using digital marketing as a tool to educate people about the products and services they have or they are selling by getting creative contents, by creating advertisements, videos, and all. So people are being creative now in digitally, I should say, where people, more and more people use smart devices and they try to educate people about the products and services they are selling digitally. But if you think some years back, like 10 years or 12 years back, when there was no evolution of technology, there were no smart devices, we had only small phones which do not support any multimedia as well most of the time. So think about that time. That time also people were doing marketing. That time also brands were educating the customers about the brands and services, the products and services they are trying to sell. So that time also marketing happened. So what is the difference between the traditional marketing and today's digital marketing? The traditional marketing was also efficient. That time also people were able to sell the products and services to the people, to the customers. Now also people are able to sell the products and services to the customers. So what is the difference between the traditional marketing and digital marketing? One difference we all know, that traditional marketing was not happening by digital way. People used to distribute pamphlets, people used to apply some banners or posters into their locality, people used to do voice marketing like um, playing some voice and all by recording that. That was the traditional way of marketing. So what was the drawback of that marketing? That time also people were able to sell the products and services to the customers. Now also people are able to sell, but what was the drawback of traditional marketing? The traditional marketing was the one way marketing, guys. One way marketing means only you are telling the customer that this is the product, this is the feature of the product. You are not actually getting any inputs from the customer. Customer were not able to interact with your brand. Customer were not able to like dislike your brand. Customer was not able to comment on your brand. Customer was not able to provide the feedback for the improvement of product to your brand. So there were a lot of customer interactions which were missing into the traditional way of marketing, where only the brands used to go out and educate the people, but customers on the other hand were not getting opportunity to provide the right feedback, the right comment to the brand so that it can improve the product quality. But with the evolution of technology, with the smart devices being affordable, now people, more and more people have the smart devices. So now the concept of marketing entirely changed. Now is a time of digital marketing, or I should say, one till 1 year back, it was a time of digital marketing where people had tried to be more creative. I should say people tried to create some video ads and all. people try to spend a lot of money creating those ads, those contents to promote the products and services to the people digitally. In return, they were also able to get the feedbacks from the customer. They were all also able to get the comments on their brand's presence, like on Facebook or Twitter. If they are selling something, they were able to get the comments also. There was also the, the the functionality where customers can go and comment something about the brands or service, give reviews, share the product, or there are plenty of other ways where people interact with the brand on day-to-day basis. So the digital marketing has entirely changed the concept of marketing. It changed from traditional marketing to digital marketing using the digital and smart devices. But guys, as people are trying to interact with your brand digitally, because you do digital marketing, you are able to get more and more traffic on your brand's presence. Suppose your brand is present on is present on Facebook, Twitter, your brand is present via a website or a mobile application. Any way your brand is present, so people, you are able to do the digital marketing and you are able to drive more and more people on the platform, on your brand presence. And people are also interacting, like commenting, searching the products, seeing more and more products, searching generating more and more keyword searches for your products and services. But guys, uh, th- there is no automated process in which if you drive more and more engagements on your brand, like the engagement cannot be only in the form of brand comment and all. The engagement can be a filling a form. Okay, the engagement can be signing up, or there are plenty of other ways where people will get engaged to your brand. So guys, they generate a lot of data. Suppose you went on Amazon, you searched a keyword on the Google, you found that product on the Amazon, you went on Amazon. Suppose you are the first customer of the Amazon. Suppose you haven't signed up earlier into the Amazon. This is the first time you are going to Amazon. You go and you sign up on the Amazon. The first thing Amazon will ask you to provide, what is your name, email address, phone number, gender, age, date of birth, everything Amazon will ask. So Amazon has tried to generate a profile of you. Similarly, if you go into other applications of other brands, into other websites of different brands, they will sort to ask a lot of data from you. So with the help of digital marketing, you were able to drive the traffic on your website, on your brand presence, and you are getting a lot of data from the customer in the form of feedback, signups, and all. There was no process where we were able to read the data, analyze the data, and customize our marketing strategy. With the help of digital marketing, you are able to generate the traffic, you are able to get the data from the customer, but you are not able to analyze the data, you are not able to get the insights of that data. And due to lack of insight of data, you are not able to reach the correct audience for a particular product, the customized audience for a particular product. You are not able to take the best marketing strategy. Even if you do the digital marketing, even you have the data, if you do not have the insight, which then you are not able to get the correct segment of the customers to whom you have to promote your products and services. Or you are going to launch any new thing, you want to get the customized segment of the audience, you are not able to get that, because uh, though you have stored a lot of data, you have generated a lot of data, every customer interaction will generate a lot of data. There is no such mechanism where you are able to read the data, read the patterns of the data available with you, and customize the insight you got by reading those pattern of data into a marketing strategy. So, guys, with the help of digital marketing, a new type of marketing got evolved, which is called as data-driven marketing. Digital marketing is able to drive traffic on our website. People are coming on our website, on our brand, on our app. They are generating a lot of data by searching products, searching by keywords and all. But in the digital marketing, there is no such event, or I should say concept, where you will be able to analyze the data getting generated, and you can use that data into promoting or into customizing your marketing strategy. So, guys, a new type of marketing evolved, which is called as data-driven marketing, in which you collect the data, you compile the data, and then you analyze the data, you turn that data into a strategy, and you execute that strategy in a data-driven marketing approach. So, reading the patterns of data and customizing the marketing strategy based on the insight available is called as data-driven marketing. For example, guys, a very simple example of data-driven marketing. When you sign up new on Amazon, you go on Amazon, you search for a product. Okay, you put that product into the cart. You put that product into the cart, and after some time, somebody calls on your phone. Suppose your mother or father called on your phone. You get distracted from the product you were about to purchase, and you went to attend the phone call. In the meantime, 20 minutes is over, 30 minutes is over. There is no such activity from you, though you have put that product into the cart, but you haven't purchased that product. There is no such activity of purchasing in next 20-30 minutes. So guys, this is also a trigger, I should say. If you have a proper data driven strategy, if you have a correct, if you have the distributed, if you have the distributed data model for the data driven marketing, this is also an event which system will try to utilize in order to customize the marketing strategy. So in this case, what Amazon does, Amazon tries to wait for next 20-30 minutes, and if there is no more activity on that cart, that means if there is no product purchased which you have left into the cart, that means you have abandoned the cart. Amazon will pull that information club into an email and automatically send to you, reminding you that it's been you have tried to put this product into the cart, and this is the customized link for you. You can continue your purchase from here. And still, if you do not work on that request, if after reminding, if after Amazon has reminded you, still you are not able to work on that, you are not able to purchase that product, Amazon will again send you a reminder email. So what has happened here, guys? With here is Amazon is already having the data of a customer. Customer has already landed into the Amazon. That does not mean or does not guarantee that the customer will buy a product. Though customer is has by himself come to the Amazon, that does not guarantee that customer will buy that product. What Amazon can do, Amazon can customize the marketing strategy based on the user data available with them. With every interaction, as such systems like Amazon try to find opportunity where it can customize its marketing strategy and reach their customers in the right time, in the right way, in the right channel. So here, Amazon was already knowing that you have put some product into the cart and it's been 30 minutes, there is no activity, you are not logged in as well. It will use the data driven marketing approach, will compile the data, pull the data, and will send you an email. After that, if you haven't opened that email as well, Amazon will again try to customize the strategy and it will send you a reminder email. Even after you don't purchase, that time as well, it will try to send SMS. So this type of customized marketing strategy was only happened with the help of data-driven marketing. But guys, with the help of data-driven marketing, you will only be able to collect the data, compile the data, analyze the data, and can turn into the strategy. The execution has to be real time. In you can imagine how many people put something into the Amazon's cart and how many abandoned cart happens for the Amazon in a single minute. So nobody can send all these emails manually to every people who come and abandons the cart, put something into the cart and do not purchase that. There has to be an automated approach with the help of which we are able to read the data and customize it into the strategy. So we, with the help of data-driven marketing, we are able to read the data, compile, analyze the data, turn it into the strategy, but we still are not able to reach the customer real time. We have to develop an automated system in which such companies like Amazon can reach the customers at the right time, at the right moment, at the right place. If Amazon tries to send this email after 2 days, I think the customer won't even bother purchasing that, because something was into customer's mind. That is why he has searched that product. It is the right time to hit that customer again if he has not purchased. So Amazon has actually is able to analyze the data and get the appropriate data and the appropriate marketing strategy, but it still wants to automate the system. It still wants to automate the system that as many people does abundant cart within 30 minutes, it has to send the email to everybody automatically. In that case, we will the new concept of marketing evolved, which is called as marketing automation. So guys, what is marketing automation? Marketing automation helps to read the data from the system which you have developed. It is used to analyze the data. It is used to read between the data patterns and turn it into the marketing strategy and execute that marketing strategy automatically so that you can reach the right customer at right time at right place. This is called as marketing automation, where you are able to perform data driven marketing and able to customize the marketing strategy, and you are able to automate the process of reaching your customers. Because if the process is not automated, there is no use of doing a data driven marketing, because with every interaction a lot of data is getting generated about the customers. You should have such an automated system where you will be able to analyze the data getting generated and convert it into a marketing strategy and automatically reach the customer real time as soon as any event is occurred by the customer. So marketing automation helps to identify potential customers, automating the process of nurturing those leads to sales readiness. So guys, every customer is every new customer is a potential buyer of any product into the Amazon. So every customer is a lead to Amazon. Lead means potential customer or a buyer of a new product. So every customer is a lead to Amazon. Until you do not buy that product, Amazon will try to chase in some or other ways, like it tried to chase you using abundant cart. Next time, it may send you a push notification on its mobile application. The other time, it may send you a Facebook advertisement showing the same product. Okay, or the other way is it may send you an SMS or other type of communication over WhatsApp and all. So there are plenty of ways which Amazon will try to use to nurture you as a lead. The lead nurturing is very important. Why? Because we have to convince the customer. With the help of digital marketing, you are able to get the customer, but you are not able to nurture it, because how many advertisements you will run? You can spend billions of money on advertisement. The day you stop, nobody will come on the website. You have to acquire the customer, you have to get the data of the customer, and you have to continuously nurture him so that some point of time he buys the product and services. If you do not nurture, nobody is going to come on your website and in getting close to a product order. So you have to define an automated process of nurturing leads so that you can convert those leads to sales readiness. This is called as marketing automation. The marketing automation are of two types. It is commercial and transactional. Commercial means where you are promoting some commercial contents, and transactional means any event has occurred, and based on that event, you are promoting something or you are sending something to the customer. For example, customer has bought some product from your website. From suppose you went on Amazon and bought some product from the Amazon, Amazon will automatically trigger you an invoice. Millions of customers in a single minute buys some or other product from the Amazon, and every time Amazon tries to trigger an invoice. So this is also a part of marketing, guys, a transactional marketing where customer is logging an event. Amazon is trying to uh, respect that event and taking the next best action by sending the product invoice, description, company details, and every other details which customer would be interested into after buying that product to know more about the company for which he has bought the product. So with the help of data driven marketing, we are able to achieve marketing automation, guys. So marketing automation, how the marketing automation will work. There are platforms which supports marketing automation. In marketing automation, you have to define workflows like this. In workflows, you have entry point, some if else logics conditions, and the next best action. So with the help of entry point, you can get the data. You can have any entry point as your mobile application. You can have an entry point as as a website. You can have entry point as a Facebook page. There are plenty of ways which you can define an entry point from where you are able to get the data of the customer. You are able to get the data generated by the customer. After you got the data, you have to analyze the data. You have some conditions, you have to apply some conditions like if else condition, because you have to read the data so that you can take the next best action. The next best action would be the customized marketing strategy. So you will analyze the data, you have some if else conditions into the automation workflow which you have to apply, and then you will be able to take the next best action. So guys, the next best action can only happen automatically if you go with the marketing automation approach. The workflow which I showed you was a simple marketing automation workflow where the entry will happen, an event will be logged, the data will be received by the system, and then the system will try to analyze and will take the next best action. So this type of workflow is generally of marketing automation, which we will be seeing different scenarios how to define. Sorry, sorry guys. So with the help of workflow, we will be able to design different solutions for different marketing problems. Because nowadays every shop, everything are digital. So the marketing is also digital now. And as you want to be the customer's first choice, you don't only have to do digital marketing, but you have to adopt the data driven marketing and finally the marketing automation approach. So automatically you have to get the data, analyze the data, and take the next best action. So with the help of marketing automation workflows, you will be able to design a solution of a particular marketing problem. Every industry's marketing has some sort of problems which everybody wants to solve digitally. To solve those problems digitally, you have workflows into the platform, the data driven marketing platforms, you have workflows. The workflows you will be designing in the same way which I showed you, which I will be teaching when we study marketing cloud in our classes. So guys, now as we have seen marketing automation, we can automate the process. We can also create a customer journey. Now think of an example. Somebody purchased a product from the Amazon, he received the invoice. Now after some time, Amazon will ask you to provide the review of the product purchased. So the second review email was linked to the first product invoice email because the product was purchased. That is why the review has to be taken. So there is a step in this type of communication, in this type of customized marketing strategy by Amazon, in which as soon as any order is placed, it will try to send the invoice containing details of the company and all warranty details and very nice words about the product. And after some time, the second step will execute the feedback email will go out or feedback SMS will go out to capture the customer's input. So this is a two-step workflow which we call as a customer journey. So a customer journey is a cycle in which a customer goes through all the touch points. Here you have created a product purchase journey in which you have two steps. That is, the first invoice will be sent, and after some time, the review email will be sent. So the two-step journey you have created, where everybody who goes and purchase something will be going through these two steps, will be receiving these two emails automatically. You can think of any other scenario, not of only marketing, but you can think of any other scenario. Whenever you get a new job, as soon as the HR confirms it, she will roll out an offer letter, a system generated offer letter, and she will give you 7 days to accept that offer letter. The next day you didn't accept that, so you will again get a reminder email from the system that the offer is pending for acceptance. After 3 days also you didn't accept that offer, again you will get the reminder email. Finally you accepted that offer, then you get thank you for the welcome email, thank you email, like that, congratulation emails. After that, one email will come to highlight the agenda of the induction, the first day agenda. On the day of your joining, you will get welcome email, some cherishing email from HR and all automatically. The same email goes to everybody. After one day, you will get the important details about the company, the important phone numbers, email address, like transport department, like electricity department, vehicle department, finance department, HR department, everybody, every detail will be sent to you via email. The next day, you will again get the email about the line manager. You have to report the ethics and compliance of the company and all. And after 1 month, you will get the recruitment feedback email. So guys, this here everything is automated. Whenever a new offer is released, the person who has who for which the offer was released goes through the touch points. Those touch points contained into different steps is called as a customer journey. A customer journey is a series of steps a customer goes through during a touch point with the company. So guys, with the help of data driven marketing, we are able to achieve marketing automation. And with the help of marketing automation, we are able to achieve multi-step customer journeys. So this has given us more power, where we can establish a continuous relationship with our customers. The journey scenario can be different. I have provided you an onboarding journey. Every brand has different problems which we can solve using customer journeys, using data driven marketing automation approach. So with the help of marketing automation, we will be able to define multi-step cross-channel journeys, which will able to read the data getting generated by the customers on different touch points or different entry sources like app, mobile, and all, everything we can integrate. We can continuously read the data about the customer, and we can accept that data and push it into a journey. And in journey we can create a customer life cycle where customer will go through a series of steps. This is very important guys, because you can't forget your customer. Every time you have to establish the relationship with your customer, so that he also don't forget about your brand or service. You should always have to put an impact on your customer's mind. So here marketing automation customer journeys plays an important role. With the help of marketing automation, customer journeys, you will be able to reach every channel, email, push, social, web, every channel you will be able to reach. So guys, till now we have seen how traditional marketing evolved to digital marketing, how digital marketing evolved to data-driven marketing, and how there was need of marketing automation into the data-driven marketing, and how with the help of marketing automation, data-driven marketing automation, we were able to achieve the customer journeys. So guys, this can only be achieved if we use a powerful marketing automation platform. And Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the number one marketing automation platform which will empower you to gather the data up from the different touch points of your customer, read that data, analyze the pattern of the data, turn the data into a marketing strategy and reach the customers automatically at right place at right time, and helps you establish the continuous relationship with the customer by helping you create customer journeys. So Marketing Cloud is built on world's number one CRM platform. It enables you to know your customers, personalize with intelligence, and engage across the entire journey. It is the only integrated customer engagement platform that enables you to deliver personalized customer engagement at scale on every channel, from email to web, mobile, social, digital advertising. Every channel you will be able to connect with Marketing Cloud, will be able to gather more and more data about the customer, can create patterns of data, analyze the data, and turn into a marketing strategy. So, guys, with the help of marketing automation tool that is Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you will be able to design custom solutions to solve various marketing problems for a particular industry with the help of data-driven marketing automation approach. What all things we have into Marketing Cloud? We have journeys, which I have already told what is journey. We have contacts. We can maintain different set of segment of contacts into Marketing Cloud. We can create content not only static but dynamic content. The value will change based on the customer's data available. If he is male, the male content will be shown. If it's she's female, female content will be shown. Kids content will be shown. A different type of dynamic content we will be able to achieve with the help of content within Marketing Cloud. We have different channels like email, SMS, MMS, push notification, social advertising, web experience. We have all the channels with the help of which you will be able to reach your customers at the right moment. You can also analyze the marketing strategy you have implemented, the solution design you have performed on the Marketing Cloud to solve a particular marketing problem with the help of analytics feature of Marketing Cloud. In Marketing Cloud, you can create report dashboards and web and mobile analytics to get a 360 view of the marketing performance you have done, or or the marketing solution you have implemented within the marketing automation Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform. And last but not the least, you will be able to connect various third-party apps with Salesforce Marketing Cloud to have cross-platform integration, omni-channel integrations. So, guys, how to log in into Marketing Cloud? Uh, mc.exacttarget.com is the URL with the help of which you will be able to log in into Marketing Cloud. So, I'll quickly go and log in into Marketing Cloud. This is the URL you have to type. Username, and you have to type the password. This is not freely available, guys. You can't sign up to this platform. We will be providing the access to this platform. Then only you will be able to log in into Marketing Cloud. So after you log in to mc.exacttarget.com, this is the kind of platform which will open in front of you and will have all the powerful channels, all the powerful tools you require to connect your system with different other systems on which you are running your brand. And you would be able to read every interaction of the customers, whether they are interacting with their mobile app, whether they are interacting with your mobile website or a desktop website, whether they are interacting on your social media pages on LinkedIn or any other platform, wherever they are interacting, you will be able to capture every single details of the customer. You can design such a solution where you will be able to capture the user inputs, user data from other integrated platforms, and you can bring in those data into this powerful marketing automation platform, and you can analyze the data, and you can turn it into a nice strategy which would definitely give you more conversion rate than different type of marketing activities which you have already seen and performed, or people are already performing. So guys, this is the marketing cloud in front of you. We will be seeing everything into details. I won't cover everything today, just the topics which we are going to see. We are going to see email studio. In the email studio, we will be designing dynamic emails, not static emails, guys, dynamic emails. A single email can require 600 to 1000 line of code if you want to achieve a dynamic email. Let's think of a scenario where Amazon is running its business globally. Globally means in India it is into English, in India it is into Hindi, in India it is into plenty of different other languages. Thousands of languages are there worldwide, thousands of countries are there. Everywhere you are open Amazon, you will see that into a local language. You purchase some product on Amazon, you get invoice into local language. Millions of customers come and buy something from Amazon in a single minute. Millions of invoices are sent. Millions of transactions are getting handled by Amazon. So, guys, millions of dynamic content is getting sent automatically. Dynamic content means with every email, it checks whether the customer's preferred language is English, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, any language, French, German, any language which is preferred, it automatically create a dynamic content, convert the content of the email or the SMS or the push notification into the local language. It automatically is able to achieve the dynamic content requirement. It is automatically able to provide the warranty detail about the product purchase, the image of the product you have purchased. It is automatically able to populate the bill amount of the product. It is automatically able to calculate the GST and all. Everything it is automatically able to get from the system, apply it on an email and send to the customer as soon as the transaction is happened. So guys, with Email Studio, you will be able to achieve this kind of scenario where you have huge dynamic content requirement like Amazon. If the order happened from China, it should go into Chinese language. If it happened into Japan, it should go to Japanese language. Everywhere Amazon is running the same website, but the data is changing based on the country languages available, and it requires a huge amount of dynamic content. Whenever any order is placed, it has to send invoice, and that invoice should be into the local language. So you can imagine how much amount of dynamic content is required to create such an email for Amazon. So the same requirement is for every other different brands, because people are digitally present, people are interacting, the shops are digitally present, people are interacting with the shops digitally, they are generating the data. Everybody will have their own problem of dynamic content, and those problem you will be able to achieve or solve using the dynamic email functionality. So into Email Studio, we'll be seeing everything, every A to Z of email technology, how to achieve dynamic content. We will be able to see AMP script, how to use scripting languages to create dynamic content for email, how to have HTML emails and non-HTML emails, how to achieve personalizations. Every email it's Amazon sends address with the first name of the customer, how it is able to achieve this kind of personalization we will be able to see when we study the email studio in detail. After that, guys, we have mobile studio. We have in mobile studio, we have mobile connect, mobile push, group connect. Mobile connect means you can send SMS, MMS to the customer. Mobile push means you can integrate mobile app and send push notifications, deep link your mobile application with Salesforce marketing, or you can send push notifications. Group connect means you can send line messenger, WhatsApp messenger, Facebook messenger messages. You have to integrate everything. Social studio is to reach customers socially, advertising to advertise. We have web studio. In web studio, we have cloud pages. These all are the browser rendering contents. You will be able to create dynamic survey forms, dynamic small websites, micro websites, landing pages using web studio. The dynamic is the key here, guys. The dynamic thing is the key. Static thing every platform is able to offer, but you have to create dynamic content which should satisfy everybody's needs. So with the help of web studio, you'll be able to create dynamic contents which you can open on the browser. All these are the browser rendered contents which you can create. Further, we have seen the studios, we have builders. Whenever we want to reach to a particular customer, we will use studios. But whenever we have to solve a marketing problem, whenever we have to design a solution and implement a solution, you will have to go to builders. So builders are the tools which will help you to create or solve a marketing problem, create the marketing customized strategy, and execute that strategy. In builders, we have Journey Builder, Automation Studio. Automation Studio is an extract, transform, load platform of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It provides ETL capabilities, segmentation capabilities, and whatnot. We will be able to see this powerful tool when we cover automation studio. We have builders. Journey builder we already seen to create customer life cycle with different steps and touch points. We have behavioral triggers to accept transactional aspects of marketing, to integrate websites, mobile applications, to accept transactions, to able to achieve transactions. We have content builder to design dynamic contents like email, SMS, push notifications. All these are the contents you will be able to design into content builder. We have audience builder. This is the most important into marketing cloud, guys. With audience builder, we have to create the data model, because we are not doing digital marketing here. We are concerned about data driven marketing automation. We are concerned about data driven marketing automation. So in order to do data driven marketing, you have to have a nice robust scalable data model. So with the help of audience builder, content builder, we will be able to create our data model which we can further use to enhance our data driven marketing automation journey. So we will be seeing every builders and studios in details into Marketing Cloud. We will also see some of the Einstein capabilities of Marketing Cloud, that is artificial intelligence capabilities of Marketing Cloud, how Marketing Cloud is able to read the pattern of the data and generate insights. Because this is the artificial intelligence powered platform, you have this Einstein feature, intelligent feature, which we will be seeing how AI also works with Einstein. We have platforms and apps to integrate third-party apps with Marketing Cloud. We will be seeing everything into details, guys. Just for your knowledge, we will be building automations which will help us solve some marketing problems, or the marketing problems you have for a particular business. This type of automations we will be developing. We will be seeing how to approach a particular problem, what are the components to solve a particular marketing problem digitally. All these type of automations, we will be able to see the significance of these automations, the purpose, the building blocks of these automations. We will be able to see the journeys and all when we study the marketing cloud in details. So guys, what all we have seen into marketing cloud till now, or just got the brief idea. We have studios and builders. Studios help you work with marketing channels like email, mobile, social, and marketing cloud builders represents the tools that you help build and manage customer personalized journey. You can define the strategy or the solution. For example, imagine you want to connect to your customer via email to tell them about your weekend sale. You can use email studio to manage your email distribution to your customers. When you are ready to personalize, automate, build cross-channel customer journeys, then you have to add builders. Journey builder is the marketing tool which you will use to build a cross-platform journey, such as connecting the customer via email and mobile. So guys, the channel you will be using studios to reach, but the marketing strategy, you have to add builders and you have to design solution on builders. So Marketing Cloud has studios and builders, which we will see in details. We will emphasize more on data modeling. Marketing Cloud has two type of data model: list-based data model, contact-based data model. One is relational, one is non-relational. We will see every significance in details about the data model. We have Marketing Cloud Connect feature to connect Marketing Cloud with other platforms like Salesforce, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Community Cloud. We will see how to integrate Salesforce with Marketing Cloud with other Salesforce platforms to complete the CRM dots, that is sales, service, marketing, and commerce. These four are connects a CRM. The four dots are for CRM. We will be seeing how to integrate all other platforms to complete the dot. We will see or get to know about Marketing Cloud APIs. That means how to get real-time data from different systems, like from website, from applications, how to work with real-time data, and how to work with transactions. We will see in detail when we will study the Marketing Cloud APIs. We will see everything into Email Studio. We will see what is CAN spam law. It is a global law and rule which you have to follow or must know as a responsible email marketer. We will see in detail AMP script, because we are not at all going to build static email. We have data, we are data driven marketing automation platform. So there has to be a scripting language which helps us to read the data available into the system and can take the next best decision or provide the next best content. For that, we have AMP script. We will be seeing the brief of AMP script, the functions, how to use into our scenario. We will be seeing everything. We have web studios to create interactive micro websites or small landing pages like this. This type of landing page is a data-driven market landing page, which helps us to capture the customer's data. We will be able to see mobile studio. In mobile studio, we will see group connect, mobile push. We will see how to integrate mobile applications. We will be able to see how to integrate Facebook Messenger API, WeChat API, or we will be able to see how to reach our customer via SMS and email. Further, we will be able to see how to use locations. You must have ordered something from Zomato. You must have ordered a cab from Ola. Whenever they reach your location, you get a push notification that your delivery guy is about to reach 100 meters apart from your flat, or you get a push notification from Ola Uber that your driver has reached. So this type of features are only available when you have the capabilities to read the location of the customer. So with the help of Marketing Cloud, we will be able to integrate customer mobile application, and we will be able to read the data and take the next best decisions on the location, entry, exit, or inbound, outbound entry, exit of the customer based on a particular location. This is the powerful tool which we will be seeing how to do that when we will study mobile applications in Marketing Cloud integration in details. We have Automation Studio and Journey Builders. We already know, or I have already told, Automation Studio is an extract, transform, load platform. It is used to automate recurring process, advanced segmentation, SQL, and Journey Builder. So we will see how to work with automation studios, or what are the ETL activities, what are the process to segment the data, how to fire the query on our database, the data model which we have built, and how to retrieve the segment of data. Everything we will be seeing into Automation Studio, and we will be seeing how Automation Studio and Journey Builder will work. This thing we require in order to build a nice workflow of marketing automation. So we will integrate Automation Studio with Journey Builder. This type of integration we will work on, where we have different paths and we have to take different decisions based on the paths available. We can get the data from Automation Studio, push it into the Journey, and in Journey we can have some decisions based on the data which is pushed. Right, everything in detail, because we will focus on data, will focus on data model. That is why it is, because we are doing data driven marketing, so we'll focus primarily on data modeling and reading the data available into the Marketing Cloud, segmenting the right amount of data. All these tools we will be able to see into Automation Studio and Journey Builder. Further, we will see Analytics Builder to create reports, to measure the reports of your journey performance. And later we will see parts of Deployment Manager, which you will be using to deploy the change set from test environment or staging environment to the production environment. So guys, that was all about the demo on Marketing Cloud. I hope you are able to get what is Marketing Cloud platform, what type of marketing we can achieve from Marketing Cloud, and what all things we will be able to do on Marketing Cloud. The rest, everything we will be able to see when we study every topic in detail one by one for next 1 month. So guys, this was only brief, but in next 1 month, I will cover every details and every aspects of this platform, which will definitely help you to enhance career on data-driven marketing automation. So guys, any questions?
Hello, Arshit.
Hi.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, hi.
So, hi, Arshit. I'm Sundar.
Hi, Sundar.
Uh, I'm completed SF PC, but I'm interested to my friend suggestion to join SFMC is good.
Yeah.
My question is, it is only admin part or development part also including? In development part also including which language should I learn? It
So in
how
my
much?
coaching, I touch every part. I start with administration. I cover all the syllabus of admin specialist, and then I move to consultant, and I will teach part of development. AMScript development I will teach. I will teach that much of AMScript from where you will be able to take it forward. So
Because I don't know full of knowledge in coding. That's why.
yeah, see, every platform has their own languages.
Yeah.
This platform has AMScript, which I will be helping you to learn from scratch.
May I know the how much time to taken for learning AMScript language?
See, you have to build career on Marketing Cloud.
Okay.
Even if you ask 10-year guy that you know AMScript, he won't say that I know everything. But that much part I will be able to tell you with the help of which you will be able to take it forward. You have to build eventually career for next 10-15 years, right?
Okay.
In order to land a nice job, the thing which you require, that I will be helping you out. Your logic concept I will be helping you to build, and then it depends on your practice, how much proficient you are, how much eager you are able to learn the script. But the
Okay.
basics and all I will be helping you out to learn.
Okay.
My customized
Yeah,
course
hi.
contains all the parts of development, consulting, administration, and specialist. Yes.
Yeah, hi, Arshit. This is
Hi.
Venkat.
Hi, Venkat.
Yeah, Arshit. Do you support for the certifications?
A
Do you have the grounds
certification, yeah, we
courses?
do support. We provide a set of 100 questions, which definitely would help you to clear the certification exam. Sure, short 100 questions. Yeah, but
So, how
before
many
that,
certifications is there for marketing cloud?
sorry,
How many certifications there for
there are four
only like in the,
certifications,
okay,
and there are two tracks, like consulting track and development track. Each track has two certifications.
okay.
Yeah.
So, so what are the things need required for certifications? Like, do we need any other certifications like PD1 and PD2 and any other
No, 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 no.
certifications?
No, Marketing Cloud is a different track. You don't have any
Okay,
prerequisite. Just you wholeheartedly learn everything which I teach into 30 days. That would be enough for you
okay,
to clear all the certification.
okay. So,
Yeah.
okay, yeah,
Hello,
that's fine for me.
hello, Harshit.
What is the time period for this course?
Time
For,
period, we will be starting
for
from tomorrow. So it would be 1 month.
okay.
Yeah.
So time hours, 1 hour or
Hours,
45 minutes.
no, no, more than an hour. 1 hour,
Okay,
5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes every day.
okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Harshit.
Hi. Yeah.
Hi, this is Saidulu.
Hi.
And one more question. And SFDC and SFMC, what is the different? And SFDC pure coding course and SFMC how much coding? Little bit of coding and pure coding. And I have a small doubt.
CSFMC also has a bit of coding, but SFDC, that is not true about SFDC, that it does not have coding. Initially, it doesn't have, but when you are going to develop a custom solution, which every company does develop, there you will definitely require coding knowledge. Same cases with SFMC. If you start as a beginner, you don't require coding. But when you grow in the career, you will come across plenty of challenges where you have to code. So
Okay,
let's start to, sorry,
okay, little bit of coding and SFMC.
in SFMC also a little bit of coding.
Just now, little bit.
Yeah,
So
little.
SFDC pure coding and pure any functionality rising and a coding.
Right.
Yes. Okay.
But I will help you to learn SFMC code, because if you have thought to learn this platform, why
Okay.
not to learn coding, right? Because if you have learn it
So
wholeheartedly, you have to make career. Eventually,
uh,
if you want to earn more money, you have to become a developer.
you-
If it is SFDC or SFMC, that time you
okay.
would require coding. So start from now. I will help you understand the basics of code, because I consider you don't know anything. From there, I start. So from now, you
Okay.
start to learn.
Okay. I have also training in the SFDC or three
Yeah.
or 4 months, 3 or 4 months and coding and not got it and totally
Hmm.
confusion SFDC. Yes, and how much a future very future how SFMC openings or job titles openings.
Job openings will be there.
Okay,
Job openings is not gonna reduce, it is gonna increase in SFMC. It is the right time you have to
2 to 3
like
years.
get a job.
Okay, if you I 43 years experience,
Yeah,
request a coding knowledge.
yeah. See that the coding knowledge which I will give you into my class, if you learn that wholeheartedly, and if you are able to explain into the interview, definitely you will land a job. That is
Okay,
my guarantee. But you don't have to hesitate with the coding, guys. I know you don't know, but till what time you will not know. If you have planned to learn this platform, learn everything about this platform, right?
okay, I have 3 years experience. Um, some
Yeah. Yeah,
uh,
it will be fine. I
survey.
will be helping you to create your resume, what
Okay,
all things you have to put, what all interview questions you have to study. I will
okay,
be helping you to build your profile and everything. I will share my own resume which you can copy. You can share my own projects. You will be seeing some projects here also. You can include those projects. Full support I will give you guys. The main motto is you should land to a job. So till you don't get a job, you can bother me. I will be sharing everything with you.
so last and one more question.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah.
Please explain the SFDC and SFMC different shortly.
SFDC Sales and Service Cloud, SFMC Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
Okay.
Yeah, suppose you buy some product. Suppose you are still researching for a product. Suppose you want to buy a fridge. You saw Samsung ad, you saw Samsung email coming to your inbox. That is the part of marketing. But you went to Samsung website, you purchased Samsung fridge. After that, you get service sales, right? You get sales quotation. You call the engineer for the service and all. So sales and service cloud are for SFDC, nurturing the leads, making a pushing a customer to purchase a product. That means nurturing a lead will happen from marketing cloud.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you, Arshit.
welcome.
Harshit,
Yes.
Rakesh this side.
Hi, Rakesh.
Harshit, I have almost 10 years of work experience, but all these years I was into BPO.
Okay.
Though I have worked with multinational companies, but I was not into marketing or sales.
Yeah,
Now, my question is taking my age into consideration, like I have 10 years of work experience
yeah,
and zero coding knowledge, is
yeah.
this the right decision for people like me to step in?
See, I would suggest you to clear two certifications wholeheartedly. One is
Mhm.
specialist and second is consultant. You can project yourself as a consultant, and if you have 10 years, and if you are able to clear the interview and show that you are 10 years of experience, definitely you would excel into the consulting track. The only thing is you have to get the knowledge. No barrier of years and all.
See, to clear the interview part, this 10
Yeah.
years I was not into marketing or Salesforce. It
No, no
is
worries.
no
Yeah,
worries. So being a fresher, I know for sure I have to go for the fake experience certificate and all. So
yeah,
once I go for the fake experience certificate and project knowledge, like I should be able to explain two, three projects, right?
yeah, yeah,
And at the same time, if I put myself,
yeah.
like as far as my knowledge is concerned, AMP script, cloud pages, and all this require a little bit of coding.
Right.
But I'm exceptionally poor at coding. So I am thinking twice before stepping in.
See, this is not an application development. There are two things, guys. Don't get confused.
It will require at least 30% of coding, right?
Let me complete. This is not an application development. This is a cloud technology. In cloud technology, 70% of things you get by default bits and click on functionality. Coding knowledge, you not able to learn 2 to 3 hours of coding or 5 hours of coding, which I will be providing you. You are
See,
able, if you are able to learn that, and if you are able to get a job, in job you will learn the coding, you will learn everything, you get the team. And why I have told you to project yourself as a consultant, because consultant doesn't do coding. But for interview, the thing which I will be telling you, learn it by heart and at least get a job. Why you are showing 10 years of experience? Show it 5 or 6 years. Ultimately, your goal is to get a package hike. If you are that much concerned that you have 10 years of experience, do not show 10 years. You will definitely get an handsome package into marketing cloud. If you show 10 year or 5 year, that does not matter. The only thing matters is your knowledge.
okay. The next question is, how is the market in India and overseas?
In India, though, the biggest market of, you also know, India is the biggest IT exporter. So no country will have more opportunity than India in IT. That you should know.
How about overseas?
Overseas also, it is a nice opportunity. In UK, US, people go on site on marketing cloud.
Mhm. UK, US, Canada, and all this, right?
Right, right. Every developed country will have this marketing opportunities, and it is growing now.
So this will be lasting at least for the next 10 to 15 years, right? I mean to say no new technologies or no new things to come in. If anything is added, we have to refresh ourselves, right?
The platform will be evolving, new features will be adding, but the technology will be same. Marketing cloud. You will have to keep yourself updated with the new features included into this platform, but you
Most
don't have
probably,
to worry about learning other platforms. This
most
will
probably, what would be your timings for the course?
It should be 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m.
Okay, in the evening hours.
Right, right. Or if you have any specific time, then let me know. If we agree to a common point, then I can start that time as well.
And Harshit, while you are teaching, like once the teaching is done,
Yeah,
we do not have real-time experience. Once we start the interview and all this, like for
yeah,
people like me who are going to put 3 years of work experience, uh,
yeah.
how should I learn the real-time experience? See, there is a lot of difference between classroom and project putting ourselves in the market. Let
Yeah,
us assume, let us assume I got a job, but I have to start performing right from day one.
right.
So
So
how
for
can I cope that?
Yeah, so first learn one in see, I am also not a professional teacher. I am also working as a marketing cloud developer. The course I have designed contains all those knowledge which I have learned real time. So the projects and all which you will be doing here are actually the real time scenarios which I myself have implemented for different clients. To get the confidence, you will have to do 2 or 3 projects, which I will be giving you. That's why I told that keep in touch with me, practice. If you fail, let me know. We will sit together and work it out. But I will give you some projects, everything, your profiling and all, the interview questions, how you have to explain and all, every guidance I will be giving you, which would definitely land you a job in next 3 months.
All right, Harshit. Thank you. No more questions from me.
Welcome.
Hello, Harshit. One more
Yes.
question.
Yeah.
Which is easy to learn SFDC or SFMC?
SFPC? No, there is no prerequisite for this. SFMC is self-sufficient.
Okay, and next package is same one SFMC.
Sorry?
Package. How much package is same?
Package same, yeah. Competitive package. Show your knowledge, get the package.
Same all of you.
Right. It is generally 4 times your year of experience.
Okay.
Generally. So suppose if you have 5 years, then you can get 20 lakh, up to 20 lakh.
3 years also. 3 years how much?
Yeah, 4 into number of experience you have. Yeah. If you have 10 years of experience, if you have nice knowledge and if you are able to prove, you can get 35, 40. People are getting.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Any more questions, guys?
Hi all. Okay, this is Kishore from svtechsoft. We are planning to start the regular batch from tomorrow. Okay, if anyone is interested, then please contact svtechsoft. Okay. As we provide org access also include the course. We do provide 2 to 2.5 months on org access for your practice.
Okay.
No need of paying separately for ARC access, right?
Yes, correct. Include the course, we do provide an org for you guys.
So free argo access not available.
Sorry?
Free argo access not available.
Hey, one
Yeah,
more.
Harshit,
Yeah, it's free access, free. Complimentary access which comes along with this course.
Okay, one more thing. Do you provide the recordings?
Yeah. Every class recording you will be having.
So, do you provide any material for the reference?
Reference, I will provide Marketing Cloud notes, some projects, interview questions, and question terms and all.
Okay. Okay.
So guys, from tomorrow we are starting, so do subscribe. Let's please reach to svtechsoft to subscribe, and we will start the marketing automation journey from tomorrow. If you learn this platform, you will be not required to learn any technology for next 10-15 years. In next 10 years you will become manager, guys. If you have 10-12 years of experience, then you don't need to learn any technology. But for next 10 years you will be able to survive, earn nice package, even go on sites or do anything which a normal IT technology people do with this platform. But the thing is, you have to be committed throughout the 1 month of the coaching, guys. So please do subscribe in large numbers and let's start from tomorrow. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks, Harshit.
Thanks.
Thanks for